Alright, so check me out. Just make sure it's not so much space above my head.
Okay.
You have me in the shot?
Yeah.
There's a little space above my head?
Yep.
Just like a little bit? Really?
Yeah.
Alright. You sure? Because the camera seems a little low.
No, it's good.
Alright, I trust you.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. I just got back from KITH, Brooklyn. Kind of a journey. I live East End, Long Island. Just got up from work, all that. Had a long day. So it's gonna be a quick video. I would save this for tomorrow, but I can't wait to unbox them, try them on. So I'm gonna do it while I'm tired. All right, we're gonna do this on the floor too. As you can see from KITH, all right, so far pretty cool with the little window. Should I open it? I'll open it. I plan on dogging these sneakers, so I don't care. Ooh. All right, it's nice. That's how they come packaged. I'm sure you know all this, man. I'm just showing you what I got. Every time I start one of these videos, I'm like, I'm not gonna show you the details, because you already seen the details. Nice. I'm gonna put the maybe the orange laces in. They already come effed up. They did the work for you. And they got the blue ones. And then you got white. Come on, man.
What numbers were to get in the door?
He's okay. I don't really care too much for him. I just kind of just enter raffles to hopefully win one day, and I finally won. Insole coming out. That's cool. I don't think it matters. But yeah, we're gonna throw the orange laces in, and I guess we'll see how it looks after that.
Since JD didn't record the voice for this video, I will now do the voiceover. And here it begins. Hi, I'm JD. I got gold all up in my teeth. My friend gave me a box. I went to his house for a housewarming, but I'm not a very nice person, so I didn't give him a gift, and instead he gave me a gift, and it is, once again, this box. And now we're going to open the box. Would you like to see what's inside? It is a white box, green stripe, gold emblem thingy. And here it is. Dun 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 dun. A bottle of Hennessy. But not just any bottle of Hennessy. This isn't the ratchet Hennessy. This is vintage. It is old. see the label, and on the back there's someone dressed like a pilgrim. This is from the 1970s. And it has a cool gold handle top, rose gold and pink. Some random numbers on the back to show how fancy it is. Some random numbers on the other side to show how even more fancy it is. It's just the perfect bottle of Hennessy. As you can see, I don't need any more bottles. I might have a drinking problem. I have bottles from the ceiling to the floor. And there you have it, folks. JD and his Hennessy bottle.